Hi guys, welcome back to Expert DNA by DesignMaven. I'm Adrian Heng. Today, we will be sharing on the differences between an interior designer, also known as ID, and a contractor, and which to choose when planning for your home renovation. Contractor or ID? Probably most of us will not be able to understand the difference, especially what are their scope of work or what kind of warranty would I normally get when the project is completed. Let's start with interior designer. Interior designer, also known as ID, provides a more comprehensive service. Normally, they will start with understanding your lifestyle before providing layout planning and 3D drawings. Once settled with the layout, ID will guide you with selecting the color schemes and materials, providing professional advice along the way and project management for the entire reno project. This is what we consider a one-stop shop from the very beginning of your planning to the completion of your entire home reno. A more experienced ID will be able to foresee any teething problems during the planning stage and solve these issues during the renovation process. Hiring an ID will ease your time coordinating with various groups of suppliers or contractors. The ID will also update you regularly on the reno progress. Some ID will even go the extra mile to help you shop for furniture and furnishings to dress up your home. With these value-added services, it will be worthwhile paying slightly more to engage an ID. Upon completion of your renovation, ID company will usually provide renovation warranty so that if the client spot any defects within a stipulated time frame, the ID will get it fixed. Contractor, on the contrary, are not trained in interior design, so they are not well versed in giving advice on color or material choices. A contractor will usually show you sample swatches, and the client will have to decide what they want for their home. As a client, you probably have to know what you want and coordinate with the contractor on the renovation works. When hiring a contractor, do be prepared to set aside some time and effort to coordinate the renovation works. In contrast with an ID, in most instances, warranty for your renovation are usually itemized and most times only cover products and not on installation. Do inquire with the contractor to find out what their warranty covers before engaging their services. Now that you have a better understanding on the scope of services between an ID and a contractor, I believe you can understand why it usually costs more to engage an ID as compared to a contractor. To determine whether to hire an ID or contractor, first you need to understand the extent of your renovation and if you have an idea of the design you want. Also, if you have the time to spare to watch over the entire renovation management. We hope our simple explanation above have helped in giving you a better understanding of who to hire for your renovation. Do leave your comments below if you have other concerns when looking for help on your renovation. Moving forward, we will prepare a series on the problems faced by homeowners or designers and how to handle them. Do tell us what else you may wish to learn so we can prepare them in our coming videos. Designer tip of the day. When hiring a new ID, it's good to have chemistry with the other party and a sense that he or she is able to interpret your design needs. It helps to think on the same wavelength to ensure a smooth reno journey, so select your designer carefully. Do subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell for more design expert tips and fabulous home features. This is Adrian Heng signing off. Thank you and see you guys in the next episode.